We're going to talk briefly about signed numbers and the metric system. I know we've talked about it before, but I need you to understand this really well because it's the basis of the prescriptions that you'll be seeing daily as an optician. And so, very simply, we're talking about a number line. So here would be 0. Say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, on to infinity. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. As we're talking about the number line, any movement, no matter where your starting point is on a number line, any movement to the left is a negative movement. Even if you started at 4 and only went to 2, it's still in a negative direction. So it'd be the prescription that we'd be talking about based on the number line would be a +4. So even a positive number is going to get the sign -2. And then the axis, whatever it is. We'll talk about the axis in another video. So this is what a prescription looks like, built on a powerful lens. So even though we stayed in the positive numbers, we started at +4, we moved to a -2, +4 to a +2, it was still in a negative direction, so the sign of the difference, 1, 2, we moved 2, would be negative because we went in a negative direction. It doesn't get any more difficult than this. Any movement like my spelling, I'm an optician, in to the right is a positive number. So even if you started at -3 and you moved to 0, it's still in a positive direction. And then the axis, we'll just say 90 because I like 90. So that's the sign numbers and how it applies to opticianry, how it applies to optics. The only other thing I want to talk about is the metric system very briefly. We're dealing meters. Approximately 39 inches. The conversion factors that you'll need is 2.54 is equivalent to ½ an inch. To 2.54 centimeters. Okay, a centa means 1/100th of a meter. So a millimeter, which is what we measure, we're going to measure everything by, and going forward, this is what we're going to talk about, millimeters, is 1/1000th of a meter. So that's sign numbers and the metric system. We'll get a little bit deeper into the metric system in another video.